Purposes: to eliminate dampness and toxins, tighten skin, and shape the body. Items to be prepared before treatment: massage oil, radiofrequency cream, and towels. Treatment time: 45 minutes. Let the client change clothes and ask him to lie on his stomach on a bed. Massage: to relax the client and help him dredge channels and collaterals and accelerate blood circulation, 15 minutes. Apply massage oil to your hands. Rub the client's whole back with until Fengkai, GB, 20, and Fengfu, DU, 16, and press the 2 acupoints. Repeat 3 times. Push do meridian with your hands alternating. Repeat 3 times. Push bladder meridian with your hands, doing it by turns. Repeat 3 times. Push from Das Hui, DU, 14, to do meridian and bladder meridian with the base of your palms, respectively, and lift from the waist side till your palms slide out from the armpit. Repeat 3 times. Push from the back of the neck to anadesma, connecting the neck and shoulder with kneeling fingers. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Push from the back of the neck to the waist inch by inch with kneeling fingers. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Stroke anadesma, connecting the neck and shoulder with the first web space, and caress it with the other hand. Repeat 5 to 8 times. The other side applies the same technique. One side, push the whole medial border of the scapula with your 2 first web spaces alternating, and repeat 3 to 5 times. Push from the medial border of the scapula to the shoulder with your hands alternating, and repeat 3 to 5 times. Move from the arm to the palm along the shoulder and slide out. The other side applies the same technique. One side, stroke bladder meridian transversely with your thumbs, and push from the medial border of the scapula to the waist. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Caress from the waist side to the shoulder with your palms alternating. Press Jianjing, GB, 21. Slide out from the arm to the palm. Repeat 3 times. The other side applies the same technique. Clean the back with a towel. Apply radiofrequency cream evenly to it. Body RF to dredge channels and collaterals and do tightening and shaping. Parameters setting. Advised operating time, 15 minutes. Suggested energy level, 3 to 7. Recommended mode, NOR. Divide the meridian into 3 sections and push them back and forth. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push to meridian. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Divide bladder meridian into 3 sections and push them with your hands alternating. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push bladder meridian. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Draw circles till sacral region, BL31, BL34, with the device along bladder meridian. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Move back and forth on anadesma connecting the neck and shoulder. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Lift back and forth on the medial border of the scapula. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Vacuum and RF to dispel dampness and toxins and tighten skin. Parameters setting. Advised working time, 15 minutes. The suggested energy level for RF, 3 to 7. The recommended mode for RF, NOR. M1 is proposed for vacuum. Suction can be set per individual tolerance. Proposed suction time, 0.3 to 1.5 seconds. Suggested release time, 0.0 to 0.8 seconds. The suction time should be set longer than the release time. Divide the meridian into 3 sections and push them back and forth. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push the meridian. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Divide bladder meridian into 3 sections and push them with your hands alternating. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push bladder meridian. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Draw circles till sacral region, BL31, BL34, with the device along bladder meridian. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Move back and forth on anadesma connecting the neck and shoulder. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Lift back and forth on the medial border of the scapula. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Clean the back with a towel. Lipo laser, to dissolve fat and promote metabolism. Parameters setting. Advised operating time, 15 to 20 minutes. Suggested energy level, 3 to 7. Recommended mode, M1. Fasten a strap of suitable length onto the fatty part of the back. Insert laser pads into the strap and tie them up. Press start. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes and press pause. Remove the pads and untie the strap. The treatment takes 45 minutes. It's advised to take it once a week, and 12 sessions is a course of treatment. Contraindications: women in pregnancy or breastfeeding, with heart diseases or a heart pacemaker, with unhealed surgical wounds or in surgical recovery, with epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, malignant tumors, etc. Those with skin diseases or infectious diseases should use it with caution.